Hi there, this is Advocate Prashant, and in this video I'll be talking about the jurisdiction of Indian courts when a crime is committed outside India by a citizen of India. When it comes to a crime committed outside India, it would include that the person being physically present there can commit the offense, or even the person by sitting in India may commit an offense outside India, maybe through internet or by other means, like the modern days offenses are being committed through computer and internet. So let us talk about the provisions. In this, when we generally talk about criminal justice system in India, it is generally the procedure has been prescribed under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, and Section 177 to Section 189 under Chapter 13 of the Code of Criminal Procedure regulates the jurisdiction of the courts with respect to trial of offences. Section 188 of the Code of Criminal Procedure deals with situation where a crime is committed outside India by a citizen of India. So Section 188 lays down that when an offence is committed outside India by a Indian citizen, then the court that will have jurisdiction to try the matter will be the court where the accused person may be found. The Honorable Supreme Court of India, in a case titled Om Hema Rajani versus State of Uttar Pradesh, has held that it is not dependent upon where the person would be discovered. Rather, it is more important that where the person would be found or where he can be presented before the court. Court in the said case has held that it is entirely dependent or on the convenience of the victim that where or before which court at what location it wants to file the case against a person who may have committed a crime or an offense outside India. And it is not at all at the convenience of the criminal, that is the accused person who may have committed the crime outside India. In another case, the Supreme Court in the 2012 has held that when a crime is committed outside India, then the court may take cognizance of the complaint, but the trial would begin only after the previous sanction from the central government. Under these circumstances, the court has to take the previous sanction from the central government and then it can begin with the trial. So as per Section 188 and various interpretations given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, the law as on today stands that if a person or if an Indian citizen has committed a crime outside India, then the victim can file a complaint case in India, number one. Number two, he can file the complaint case before the court of his convenience, meaning thereby if he is coming to India, then he can, or if he is not even coming, he can file the complaint at any place in India before any court which can take cognizance of such offences in India, which is more convenient to him. Number three, the court can take cognizance of such offences, but trial would begin only after previous sanction from the central government. So if in case there is a foreign citizen against whom any Indian has committed any offense, and if he feels cheated or if he feels that an offense has been committed and it is punishable under Indian law, then they may launch a prosecution against that person in India by filing a complaint case. So if in case you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.